Hey guys, so you're about to watch one of the testimonials for our Brand Builders Academy from our current members. So actually inside of the community right now, so they're sharing their experience working with us. Please check it out, see their experience. And if you're considering joining Brand Builders Academy, there should be a link somewhere below this video. So click on it and we'll see if that's a good fit and whether we can help you to grow your first or next e-commerce business.
Hey, how are you guys? My name is Peter and I'm a business owner in the United States. What I have to say about BBA and their team is that they've been awesome. They've problem solved every single thing that I could throw at them. Their solutions were extremely quick, which I really appreciated. I'm not used to that in a lot of mentorship programs, but I was very impressed when I got to work with them. I was expecting to actually just start an Ecom store and a skincare line for one of my businesses in the States in cosmetics, but I ended up actually increasing my brick and mortar revenue working with them as well. When I got through the Facebook marketing platform for them on BBA, I essentially was able to apply that and increase my revenue by about 17.5%. Now, I've been in business for about 5 years now back in the States, so to go up 17% in a single month is pretty significant for me. So I was beyond grateful for that. Now, when it comes to actually launching my store, we're going to be launching in, I believe, in about a week or so. I have a meeting with Omid coming up, but they have been beyond useful, like I said, and I couldn't be more thankful to be able to be a part of a program like this.